Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to export your timesheet as a PDF file on the Connecteam application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the Assets button down below, which is the second option. Scroll down to Operations and click on Time Clock. After that, tap on this calendar icon at the top of the screen on the right side. And now tap on this More icon in the upper right corner of the screen and click on Export as PDF. As you can see, your download is finished. So you can open the file as a PDF document. So here you can find your weekly timesheet. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.